What's going on, YouTube? This is Big J3RD, but of course you already know that you're on the channel now. So I never did get around to changing the bulbs in here out to LEDs. Of course, I got these here, and it's daylight. You can get a little. See them a little bit, but maybe on this side because of the light. But I never did change these, so it does. It's kind of hard to see in the daytime anyway, but because these LED strips here are not really that bright. And anyway, back to today. So we are going to be trying out these right here. Little product review. Just, some ones I got off of Amazon. I'm going to show you. Right here. So we're going to get those on and see what the difference is. I just want to do a little something, add a little light to it, because shoot, this way might be anything crossing the street or in the street to tear your car up. So let's see about getting you a little view of the light. All you have to do is twist it out. And take it off the harness. Which looks like I'm coordinated enough to try to do it with one hand and film this for you. Maybe. Let me stop playing, hold on. And this is a plug and play, so just go right up. It's not one of these ones where you got the fan on and all like that. I don't ever keep them on that long, just long enough to see what I gotta see through and go. Now, the cut of the tabs, I had somebody making some noise, I had to pause it. The cut of the tabs of the new one seem like it's a little, just a tad bit off, but it still locks in good. It's not coming out. But you just might want to make sure, I think it's this side here, right, yeah, that is just a little tad bit off. Just make sure firmly with your hand that you turn it and lock it in. It's not going to move. It's still a good fit. All right, let's get the other side. Yep, now that's a good difference. Now you can see a little bit that the top LEDs are on, but it's a big difference. Now I have to really, I guess, do one at night to really see here. And then we'll get a look at that later. But yeah, that'll hold me. I have to get a little night view of it to really see the difference, but we'll get that a little later on today. Now you can tell that they're bright because you can see how it expands on the ground. Let me step back. You can tell by the distance, but it blurs when I'm really looking directly at it because, you know, video at night, but you can tell the difference. Is this putting out pretty good into the street. So yeah, that's a big difference. Ain't bad for $16, huh? Ain't bad. So that's a wrap on this one, y'all. Good night. I'll let y'all later.